I am R. Ramya, pursuing in second MSc Microbiology, Vivekananda Arts and Science College for Women, Department of Microbiology. Subject Soil and Environmental Microbiology. My topic is Biodegradations of Xenobiotics. Subject in charge R. Dinesh Kumar, Assistant Professor, Vivekananda Arts and Science College for Women. I will discuss about the xenobiotics. What is xenobiotics? Xenobiotic is a foreign substances. It does not produce in your body. Xenobiotics mean that xeno means foreign substances. Bio means life. The word comes from Greek. For example, pesticides, heavy metals, plant. Source of xenobiotics. For example, industrial waste like harmful chemicals released from factories, pharmaceutical products, medicine and drugs that remain in the environment, personal care products like cosmetics, shamps, lotions, pesticides, chemicals like used in agriculture. What is biodegradation? Biodegradation is a biological process. Organic matter convert into simple or less toxic forms. Some microorganisms involved in this process like bacteria, fungi, algae, actinomyces. Bacteria like Bacillus, Pseudomonas, fungi, Aspergillus, algae, Spirulina. Mechanisms of biodegradation. It is a two types: aerobic biodegradation, anaerobic biodegradation. Aerobic biodegradation is a breakdown of organic substances in the presence of oxygen. Aerobic bacteria and fungi involved in the process. Oxygenase and peroxygenase enzymes mainly involved in the aerobic biodegradation. It is the end product is carbon dioxide, H2O and biomass. For in the process, example for biodegradation of petroleum in soil and water. Let's say talk about anaerobic biodegradation. Anaerobic biodegradation is the breakdown of organic matter in this absence of oxygen. Microorganisms involved in this process called anaerobic bacteria like methanogen sulfur reducers. In this process, end product like methanogen, hydrogen sulfide, methane. Let's see mechanisms of microorganisms like aerobic biodegradation, anaerobic biodegradation. Aerobic biodegradation is biopolymer combined with oxygen breakdown to carbon dioxide, water, biomass, and some intermediates. Anaerobic biodegradation, the biopolymer convert into methane, carbon dioxide, and some intermediates. Some type of enzymes involved in the biodegradation of xenobiotics. Oxygenase enzyme. This enzyme help to addition of oxygen in the particular component. Halogenase. Halogenase is the remove of halogen atoms like chlorine, bromines. So these enzymes help to breakdown of lignin component. Hydrogenase enzymes. These enzymes help to breakdown of ester and amide bonds. Nitroreductase enzymes help to degrade the nitroaromatic compounds. Degradations of hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon is an organic component. It is made up of hydrogen and carbon molecules. And the hydrogen and carbon molecules cleavage into ortho or meta intermediates. It is converted into Krebs cycle. The source is petroleum, crude oil, and natural gases and industrial effluents. Next topic is biodegradation of chlorinated component. What is chlorinated component? Chlorinated component is contain one or more chlorine atoms. For example, chloropensine and polychlorinated biophenol. These types of components are harmful, but microorganisms break down into small or less toxic component. For example, carbon dioxide, water, biomass, and organic components. Mechanisms of biodegradation in chlorinated component. I will explain to trichloroethylene component convert into dichloroethylene component. Dichloroethylene component break down to vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride is converted into ethylene. Ethylene is converted into metallization. Final metallization is formed to carbon dioxide, hydrogen molecules, and CI atoms. About biodegradation of synthetic polymers like plastics. This is man-made macromolecules. It is the produced from petroleum based monomers like polyethylene, polyvinyl chlorides, breakdown of polymers into CO2, H2O, methane, and biomass by microorganisms or enzymes are involved. we'll discuss about factors affecting the biodegradation process, like nature of the component. If the substance is simple or water soluble, these microorganisms easily degrade. Some substances are toxic, harmful, do not degradable. Next, environmental factors like pH, temperature, moisture sometimes affect the biodegradation process. Applications of biodegradation process, like bioremediations of pollutant environment, oil spill cleanup, wastewater treatment, pharmaceutical and medical applications, biodegradation of herbicides and pesticides, plastic and polymer degradations, detoxification of hazardous chemicals. Conclusion of the topic: biodegradation process that utilize microorganisms complex material convert into simplex or harmless product like carbon dioxide, water, biomass. In the wider role in environmental cleanup, plants need water and sunlight to grow, just like microbes need right pH, temperature, moisture to degrade pollutants.